Doing 200 crunches every day, but your abs are still hiding under belly fat? I know that frustration. You're putting in the work, sweating through set after set of crunches, maybe even feeling the burn, but weeks go by, months go by, and when you look in the mirror, nothing's changed. Meanwhile, fitness influencers are promising you abs in 7 days with their magic ab challenges. But here you are, doing everything you're told, and your abs are still playing hide and seek. Want to know why that's not working? Here's what nobody's telling you. For women specifically, we already build muscle more slowly than men because of lower testosterone levels, which means we need to train smarter, not just harder. So what does training smarter actually look like? 4 rules that change everything. 1. Add resistance. That means weights, machines, resistance bands, or challenging body weight positions. Now, I'm not saying body weight exercises don't work. They do. But if you want that defined 3-dimensional look, you'll eventually need to progress beyond basic crunches. 2. Stay in the 5 to 15 rep range. If you're cranking out 20, 30, 40 reps without really struggling, it's time to make it harder. You're training endurance, not building muscle. 3. Progressive overload. This means challenging your abs a little more over time. Add weight, slow down your tempo, reduce rest between sets. Your muscles need that challenge to grow. 4. Train abs twice a week. That's it. 2 quality sessions. Your abs need time to recover and actually build. More isn't always better. Now let's talk about which exercises actually work. Here's the beautiful thing. You only need 3 exercises to hit everything: upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. Exercise 1, cable crunches. You can also use a crunch machine or do decline bench crunches with a weight plate. The key here is bending at your spine, not just pulling with your arms. Here's why this works. You're creating resistance through the full range of motion, forcing those upper ab fibers to contract hard. Keep your lower back protected. Don't arch excessively. If you have shoulder issues, skip the cable and use the machine instead. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest. Exercise 2, leg raises. If straight leg raises feel impossible right now, that's completely normal. Start with knee raises instead. Bend your knees and focus on tilting your pelvis up at the top of the movement. Here is why this works. You're targeting the lower portion of your rectus abdominis, which is often the hardest area for women to develop because we naturally store more fat there hormonally. Safety note, keep this controlled, no swinging. If you feel it in your hip flexors more than your abs, you need to focus on that pelvic tilt. Same formula, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest. Exercise 3, side crunches for your obliques. Cable side crunches are my favorite because you can easily add resistance. But if you don't have access to cables, side plank hip dips work great too. Your obliques frame your abs and create that defined waistline. But here's what's important for women. We don't want to go crazy heavy here. Overdeveloped obliques can make your waist look wider, which most women don't want. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps per side, 1 minute rest. And that's it. That's your whole ab workout. Simple, effective, done in 20 minutes. But here's the part we need to talk about honestly. You can have the strongest abs in the world, but if they're under a layer of body fat, you won't see them. This isn't about being good or bad, it's just physiology. The good news? You already have abs, every single one of you. They're just waiting to be revealed. To see your abs, you need to be in a calorie deficit. That's not a scary diet term, it just means eating slightly less than your body burns so it uses stored fat for energy. Here's what I promise. Every single workout, you're building real core strength. Strength that helps you in daily life, in other exercises, in feeling powerful in your own body. Your abs are there, and you will see it with calorie deficit, and now you know exactly how to reveal them. Before you go, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends to support each other.